Hi, welcome to Cooking at the Loft. I'm Rika from the Loft Canggu. So today we're gonna make something special, our protein smoothie bowl. So for the ingredient, we need the base one, frozen banana, and then cacao nib, 15 grams of peanut butter, and then this is protein powder we use, moringa powder, cinnamon powder, and 3 pieces of dates. And also, we need for the topping, we just need to cut in the half of the banana and 2 of strawberries and make it pretty. Just put some, what is the name? Mint leaves. And a chia seed, shredded coconut, and then we also need some granola here. So I don't have the granola here. Where is the granola? We go to the deli here. This is our homemade granola. We sell it here. If you cannot find it anywhere, just come here. So now let's do it. Here, pouring everything together. The frozen banana, cacao nibs, dates, cinnamon, moringa, a little bit of water, just a little bit, and everything is together. So the secret when we're blending this, you have to be happy and dancing. Happy smoothie bowl. And also make sure when you blend this one, you need to blend the dates really well. So here our protein smoothie bowl with happiness. Now we're gonna put the topping. This is our homemade granola. Just put on the top. If you wanna make it pretty, just cut this side and then fill it. Make sure you leave so you can stop. This is the way. Toss the coconut flakes. You can put more if you like it. Okay. So here we go. Let's make bowls. The name is protein bowls. Good. Nice. Oh my God.